In this video series, you will learn how to store a pen input data to a PDF or a Word document. So let's start. First, we will create a Canvas app, create blank app, then blank Canvas app, create. I will give a name of signature to Word, create, skip. I will insert a pen input box, pen input box, and a button. We will require only these two things for generating Word document or a PDF. So what we will use on this button on click function, what we will do, we will invoke these two things. We will set the pen input data. What this is doing is actually, so so you have to just add this on your on select function of the button, and what this is giving is data png base 64 of that signature. So first we will add an input to check that text input. Okay, I will give this auto height, font size, display line height. So and this will store the signature. Okay, so let's see. On first, click on alt button, and then sign, and then click on the button, and it will generate a data base 64 png. I will, from a single line text, to make it multi-line mode, multi-line, and then copy this, control a, copy this, control a, c. And what is this? I will open my VS code for explaining this. Go live, and clear css. I will add an image tag, and the source I will provide that text with a remove, control alt z, use an alt z for wrapping, and then remove. So you will see that this data png, data image png base 64 is actually an image format. Okay, an image format. Control A, look, control z. Okay, nothing here, there is nothing in this HTML file. But when I will paste this data image png base 64 and remove that uh, quotes, I will remove that quotes, the signature appears. Okay, so I think you are able to understand what we are doing with this JSON JSON and pen input image and include binary data. If I will just add pen input image, just pen input image, remove that JSON and add only pen input image, then the button will give me, click on alt, the button will give me this, only this blob, and this is useless. We cannot use this and cannot generate our HTML, or we cannot generate our image. So that's why we use JSON, include binary data. So we have to write JSON pen input image, then include binary data, and okay. Now we will use one more thing here, that is mid the mid function. What the mid function is doing, signature, copy and paste, signature. Okay, what this mid function is doing, starting point, start from 24. Okay, start from 24 and end before 24, before 24, length of what your string minus 24, before 24. Okay, so I will show you why we are using the mid function. I will create a new text HTML file. Okay, HTML dot image, image dot HTML. Okay, then paste that data PNG base 64 here, Alt Z. Okay, so count here to here is 24, data image PNG base 64. We do not want this thing, this data image PNG base 64, while generating the signature and this equal to sign. And here from here 24 characters, we have to remove the 24 characters. If you I will use that mid function here, look what it will give to me. We will compare that. Okay, we will compare that key, what actually it's giving. Split. Okay, image and image, HTML, remove and click. Now first, the the PNG, data PNG, total PNG before using mid function, and after using mid function we will generate here. So I will click that button. I think I have not signature set signature. That you have to use this function. Sorry, here will I will paste this here, but also you have to use this function here. I will comment it out, this function, by 2 /. Okay, now I'll click once again, click. What it's generate is this. Now if you compare that, it starts from here, IVBO. It has removed this thing with quotes, with. And if you compare the before 24, it's actually removing just. Why we added 24? Because we are starting from 24, right? Let's assume that signature length is uh like my epic pen, signature length is only signature length is 10, and we are starting from 2. So this is the starting point. We are starting from 2, and the length of signature is 10 minus 2. Remove the 8th position, the whatever on 8 position, remove that and provide me a string. Okay, the mid function, you can read more about the mid function. Just type PowerApps mid function. and you can read more about it. Okay, so in the next video we will learn how to connect the Power App to a flow and generate an image file.